Morning. It's an overcast Friday morning. I've actually just come up to the community shed, so we're going to see if we can do a little bit. I've got some timber in the back. We're going to see whether we can finish off the template for the radiator today, and hopefully the moulding that goes on the firewall as well. So we're going to maybe do some work. Nick your pencil, do you want it back? I'm being picky and do a little bit at a time.
Oh, that's all good. You've got to go do what you're comfortable with, don't you?
Yeah, the other alternative is round the other way, but
I'll push against there, so it stays flat. Just push the thing through. A little bit. Okay. I'll just put pressure on this side as you go through, as you come up there. Got to lift about half the blade, as you see.
yeah, that's okay. That'll do. Worst case scenario. Alright, here we go. closer.
You can probably put your hand there.
Yeah, fair enough. A little bit more. The other thought is now that is almost straight, run it down this side.
Yep.
I've actually,
I'll pull that right out.
might need to do this one by hand, I think. And I've got a line that I'm fairly
You
comfortable
take a
with.
fucking YouTube footage as you go, are you?
Yeah, absolutely. You know I started one for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, see that's not... Actually that's probably... That'll do for a start. We'll see how that goes. I think. Closer. That's the line, I reckon. You go for one small, you can check the top and bottom here. Yeah, that'll be right. That's okay. So what we want,
Well, really, really well.
I think I'm going to give that a go. Beautiful. Looking spot on that one. Yeah, okay, this one. Lovely. And then, just a big piece of that should at least be parallel-ish. Maybe. It's this line here, so that actually needs to come in for action, I think. There we go. Alright. Yeah, well, look, if I've got to stick something on this side, yeah, alright, I'm going to start this up. Yeah, I can do. Try that? Okay, well, let's try that.